Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing LCX. LCX is not the next Binance. It's going to be an interesting video, guys. We will be exploring this and more. So make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon as well if you want to see the channel rolling for years and you're interested. So do check that out. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of LCX at the time of the recording. So LCX is down 2.7, okay, so 3.25% for the day. The price is $0.2858. Check this out. It has gone up from 0.2761 to 0.293 after tearing the chart, guys. I think that LCX is basically now consolidating in this range. Check this out. Although it went from 0.2046 in the last 7 days all the way to 0.32, and it came down. People thought it might dip now. This is the top, but guys, in my opinion, it is still trying to stabilize and even find a new move up, guys. The upward rally. Check this out. It might even make a new move up. Although it went from 0.1279 and all the way to 0.30 up 105 point. Okay, so 120 point. What is happening? Coin market cap. Why are you confusing us? So 105.52% for the month. Let us look at the resistance. Where is the next resistance? So even in the yearly, we cannot see the resistance at the moment. Awesome move, guys. Awesome move. It went from 0.04299 all the way to 0.29, and I think that coin market cap is not giving us the right data because this is a huge move up, much more than 129%, obviously. Yeah, so let us look at the all-time chart. So yeah, this was a crucial resistance over here, guys, and it has broken through the 0.2735 levels, and this might be the new support even, guys. Let us see this as the new support, and the new resistance is the all-time highs, guys, in my opinion. This is where this thing is going towards, guys. It will go on and test the 0.45 range, and it might break out and go for that precious dollar, guys. This is my take on it, but you guys can do your own due diligence, your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything can happen in crypto. It might go south. It might come down and dip and test out these other support levels as well, 0.20 and these ranges. But this is my take on it. I think that it is going and testing the all-time highs in the upcoming times. Because, guys, what LCX is doing, it is awesome what it is doing, fully regulated, fully compliant, working on tokenization, working on bonds, and this is a fully compliant exchange, an entire payments mechanism, an entire banking infrastructure, basically a blockchain bank, guys. A lot of people are bullish on LCX, guys. So it is a blockchain bank, guys, a blockchain bank for the new financial world. LCX goal is to become one of the world's first licensed and supervised blockchain banks, seamlessly blending to traditional and crypto assets. I got the idea for my next LCX video title, the LCX, the blockchain bank. Yeah, so I got that from here now. I'm telling you, the next title is going to be LCX, the blockchain bank. Anyways, LCX will be offering a next generation digital asset exchange, a security token exchange, crypto asset financial products and services. LCX is focused on helping both traditional and blockchain market participants. So it is based in Vaduz, Liechtenstein, basically one of the most compliant assets out there. and targeting Europe. That is awesome. Where is the post that I was talking about? Yeah. Everyone is saying that LCX is the next BNB, not according to Mr. Crypto Wealth Mastery. Bro, LCX is the next BNB. Bullshit. Here's why LCX is completely different and better than Binance. So, according to Crypto Wealth Mastery, LCX is not the next Binance. It is much different and much better than Binance. And why is that so? He has put forth some arguments as well. So I really like this kind of post and this sort of arguments and logic. So number one, due to the regulated framework. LCX has a much better regulatory framework than Binance. Number one, it has official licenses and, according to the proponents, much better than Binance in this sector as well, in this area as well. The MiCA compliance, basically, this can be a game changer, and this will be huge, guys. Being regulated in a continent like Europe, that is the hub for exchange, that is a hub for trade, and all of that stuff. It is basically a financial hub. Being compliant there is awesome. Being regulated there is great. Unblemished in integrity. Yes, they haven't done anything controversial yet. Obviously, their exchange and apps have been a bit criticized that the interface is not good, the application is not good. So I get it that there have been criticisms in that regard, but overall we can say that yes, they have basically they have an intact integrity. Their integrity is stored at this point, so that is awesome. And Binance has done some controversial stuff over the course of years. Law abiding history, they are involved in legal aspects of the stuff. They want to do everything legally as per the legal bodies, and wherever they try and basically provide services or whatever they want to do, they want the legal aspects covered. So that is great. Esteemed leadership. Monty Metzger has been good, in my opinion, in updating. CZ also, I mean, we all have that soft spot for CZ as well, but a lot of people do not like him whatsoever. So yeah, this is basically down to the choice, the leadership, who you like, who you do not like. But what Monty has done is basically he has worked on the foundation. He has cemented LCX's foundation much better than BNB, in my opinion. BNB is now going forward and trying to find its way to make itself regulated and all of that stuff. Yeah, it is trying to basically expand its roots and everything. But what LCX has done, it has taken a lot of time to basically build and create this monster, and now and it was hiding under the radar. It was floating under the radar. Now slowly and gradually people are basically finding about it, and in my opinion these are still the this is still the rock bottom area. It is still in its infancy. So one more thing, yeah, it is much better than Binance if you look at the investor perspective as well. One more point, the price potential. Binance has reached a huge market cap, and if LCX reaches those market caps, we are in digit dollars, guys. So, yeah, we're still early. Ties to the World Economic Forum. It was one of the representatives of crypto in this year's Davos, as well as you saw, as we shared. Monty was talking about it, and it got a lot of exposure there as well. And that also instigated and triggered this awesome pump, this awesome move, guys. Check this out. I mean, this is one of the best pumps in recent times. So yeah, this is the seventh reason. The eighth is licensed physical validator. One more thing, yeah, LCX is involved with various different narratives in crypto, that is the oncoming narratives. The biggest one is the tokenization. Tokenization itself, guys, is projected to reach $16 trillion till 2020 to 2030. We have talked about it. And LCX is basically becoming that hub for tokenization. It is not just being involved with tokenization. It is basically trying to use to be that infrastructure for tokenization, and we have seen it seen it via their involvement in the TIA program, the Diamonds, which is tokenizing real world diamonds, and LCX is basically the licensed physical validator, the guarantor that the real diamonds will be in their vault, so it is swappable. If you're buying it digitally, that means that you're owning it in the real world as well. So this hasn't ever happened, in my opinion. It might have happened, but this is the first time that it is happening in the financial landscape. LCX and a few other projects that we talk about, like NXRA, they are working on tokenization, and there are a few projects that are basically competing for that pie. And this wouldn't be a competition. I think a lot of winners will be there. The projects that we discuss. LTO network is also one of them. Basically, it has potential, but it doesn't have exposure. So I'm digging that out as well. You guys can check it out. I might make a new updated video of it as well. So, dive deeper. Regulated framework. LCX operates within a regulated framework. Official licenses. It's not just about having a license, it's about having the right ones. Staying ahead of the curve. LCX aligns with the Europe's markets in crypto assets regulation. Awesome. Unblemished integrity. LCX track record speaks volumes. Law abiding history in an industry where legal skirmishes are not uncommon. LCX stands out for its clean slate, having never faced the issues with law enforcement. Esteemed leadership. Leadership matters. The CEO of LCX has maintained a reputation free of any accusations of illegal activity. So yeah, ties to WEF. Connections matter. LCX involvement with the World Economic Forum places it at the forefront of global discussions. Obviously, forefront of economic and financial matters. Licensed physical validator. LCX is not just about the digital realm. It is also a licensed physical validator for the tokenized real world asset, the RWA. RWA, bridging the gap between traditional and digital assets and paving the way for a new era of asset tokenization. A really good read, guys. Let me like it. Let me bookmark this. Let me repost this as well. Uh, Guys, there as far as the price is concerned, a lot of people are saying that LCX has basically found that support. Check this out. This from Lizard. Shout out. Just checked the Etherscan, and none of the top 10 of LCX is selling. They even had inflows in the last days. When top 10 is holding, this means we go higher. Follow the whales. So, what do you guys think about it? Has LCX found its support? And how do you compare it with Binance? Give the similarities and differences in the comment box below of what you guys think about it. So yeah, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon for regular videos if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.